Guys, today we'll have a Kia 1.4 Petrol. We'll need to have a new chain from NAPA. Will be a nice day. We'll come later with a new update. I try to give you more video with everything, with detail and everything. And please, next time, write it in the comments. You need to have more specific video or something. I will try to do the best. To get the belt out, take it Oh, this is the new chain. After you can see it, sign. Here have the sign. Piston one top, piston one bottom. And here you have again a sign. Yeah, maybe a bit right. You can see it. The sign, yeah. The new chain. Here's the old one. Clean, nice. Silicone, and put it back. Everything will be done soon.